Value is the lights and darks of a color or of a hue. A hue is another way to say color, and it also means adding any pigment. You add white to make a tint and black to make a shade. For this assignment, you're going to need your sketchbook, a pencil, and some colored pencils. First, make a frame around the edge of your paper. This just causes it to look nicer. For the next step, we're going to start adding in some lines. Now, when we add lines to one another and cross and intersect with one another, we create shapes. We're going to need to create shapes for this assignment, so make sure that when you start a line, it matches with an edge, and it finishes on an edge as well. For this task, I would like you to make a minimum of 10 different lines. Now that your lines are completed, we're going to start to add in our value. Starting on one side or a corner, your choice, add dark value to one side, and as you move to the opposite, make your value lighter and lighter. Now, you could watch me do this for the hour that it took me to do this project, but I figure I could save you some time and speed it up. Make sure you switch colors often, because putting the same color next to itself is kind of boring. However, it is okay to stick with a single color like the other video. Once you've completed coloring, make sure your areas are all nice and neat. Your value scale is even, so it doesn't have sections where it shows blocks of different value levels going dark, lighter, lightest. Finish it up, making sure you're leaving no white boring spaces behind. And finally, as in with all great artworks, make sure you are signing your name to the bottom of your work and adding the month and the year that you created it.